bright and happy day, hooray! Toony and Teena shout, let's play. Today they've got a yummy plan to make a pizza, yes we can. Let's make pizza round and wide, cheesy, saucy, full of pride. I'll get flour, you get the bowl. We'll mix together, one big goal. Mix the flour soft and slow. Add some water, here we go. Round and round, squish and spin. Making dough is fun with friends. Oops, it's sticky. Oh, what fun! Let's knead it more. I'm almost done. Push and press, then make it round. Our pizza dough is ready now. Meow! Roll it smooth, roll it flat. Make a circle just like that. Spin it, stretch it, soft and neat. Pizza base is such a treat. Nice and round, it's looking good. I'd roll more if I could. Momo's rolling pizza too. Meow! Spread the sauce red and bright. Make it shiny, oh so right. Round and round, swirl away. Pizza smiles are here today. Swish, swoosh, all around. Tomato sauce, the best I've found. Here's a smiley face, ta-da. Happy pizza, ooh la la. Add the cheese and veggies too. Red and yellow, green and blue. Pepper, corn, and mushrooms fine. Pizza art, a tasty design. Into the oven, warm and bright. The pizza bakes just right, just right. Golden crust and cheese that gleams. Cooking magic in warm beams. Look, Teena, bubbles everywhere. Pizza magic in the air. Melting cheese and veggies shine. This pizza's turning out divine. Ding, the pizza's baked so fine. A perfect circle, just divine.
Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.